If you buy only one book about Bled, whether as a souvenir of your visit or in anticipation of coming, this is it. It has everything you need to know, the history, the food, itineraries, getting to know the people, and it's got beautiful photographs. So this is the one book that you need for your visit to Bled. There are three things that everybody knows about Bled: the cream cake, the island, and the castle where we're standing now. But there were more than 66 things that I visited and thought all were worth putting in the book. And maybe my favorite is that a little village next to Bled called Zasip is the dried snow pear capital of the world. And you can try all these crazy dishes and lots of schnapps made with dried snow pears. My enthusiasm for Slovenia is such that I've never met a Slovene who loves the country as much as I do. So for me, exploring Slovenia and sharing what I love about it with others is fun. And I hope that fun aspect reflects in the books, in the podcast, in the videos, because I absolutely love what I do and I love to share it with people.